The second date is a test on coarse aggregate. 1. Flow car of coarse aggregate moisture content testing. Start. Tools, camphor, scales, oven, specimen, sponge, materials, gravel. Step by step. Prepare tools and materials. Next, weighing camphor weight. Next, insert the test object into the camphor and weigh it. Calculate the weight of the test object. Next, insert the test object and camphor into the oven at a temperature until 24 hours. Next, weigh the weight of the camphor and the specimen after the oven. Calculate the weight of the oven dry specimen. Finish. Flow car of coarse aggregate mode content testing. Start. Tools, camphor, scales, oven, safe number 4, trowel, bucket. Materials, gravel and water. Step by step, weighing the camphor in an empty stage. Next, weigh the gravel in the camphor. Next, calculation the weight of the test object. Washing gravel that has been weighed using safe number 4. Insert the test object into the oven for 24 hours. Remove the test object from the oven to cool. Next, weigh the weight of the gutter and the specimen that has dried. Calculate the weight of the oven dry specimen. Next, calculate the amount of slide contained in the aggregate. Finish. Flow car of volume weight testing of coarse aggregate. Start. Tools, scales, small, compassions, tie, vernier, calipers, camphor, oven, paintbrush, clamp, peg, leveling bar. Materials, gravel as much 105,000 grams. 1,500. Before testing, record the preparation, a cloud, weighing test object, weighing mold in empty condition, calculation, the volume and height of the mold, insert the test object into the oven for 24 hours. Solid condition. Weigh the mold in empty and lead condition, kit and color. Inserting the test object into the relay mode, weigh the color with 3 layers of approximately the same things. Each layer is compacted using a compactor in its as time of impact. Removing the color and leveling the surface using a leveling bar, then inclining the remaining object attached to the edge of the mold using a brush. Next, weigh and record the volume weight of the mold and the finish. Grade condition. Weighing the mold in an empty stage and regardless of the color. Insert the test object into the mold that has been reassembled. Weigh the color until it is full and remove the color again, then level it with a compactor light. Clean off the remaining object attached to the edge of the mold using a brush. Weigh and record the weight of the mold and its content. Finish. Flocar of specific gravity testing course aggregate. Star, tools, scales, comfort, hamper, oven, wipe dry, bucket, balance, scales, conics, shake. Materials, total gravel 1430. Step by step. Weighing 1430 grams of gravel. The measuring soup. The gravel that has been weighed into the bucket for 24 hours. Next, removing the test object from the bucket. Spread it over the burlap sack and whipping the test object until it is in SSD condition. Next, weigh the test bed up to 1430 grams. Divide the empty basket in the air and the empty basket in the water using a balance scale. Insert the SSD test object into the basket. Weigh the basket containing the SSD test object in the cart. Weighing the test object and the basket in the water. Next, removing the test object from the water. Inserting the test object into the oven for 24 hours. After 24 hours, remove the last object and weigh the test object. Finish. Flocar of CV analysis testing course aggregate. Star, tools, oven, scales, comfort, stopwatch, shaver share, shaver 1 inci, shaver 3/4 inci, shaver 1/2 inci, shaver 3/8 inci, shaver number 4, dan pen. Material, gravel as much as 1500 grams. Step by step. Wash the aggregate and put the specimen into the comfort. Put the test object into the oven for 24 hours. Remove the specimen from the oven and allow it to cool down. Inflate the sieve in empty condition. Insert the test object into sieve arrangement. Wipe the sieve arrangement starting from the small on into the pan below. It shaver 1 inci, 3/4 inci, 1/2 inci, 3/8 inci, dan number 4. Next, use a sieve share for fine aggregate for 15 minutes. Weigh 5 sieve and the best object remaining in and record the weight. Round the test that are hand and parts on that sieve. Finish. Flocar testing abrasion course aggregate. Star, tools, camphor, scales, picking plate, bucket, sieve, steel ball, rain scoop, oven, Los Angeles machine. Materials, crushed stone, as much 2500 grams. Step by step. Determine the gradation to be used by interesting a number of gravel that has been washed, heat, and often has coarse aggregate filtered arrangement. Obtained gradation age weight. The weight of gravel used, namely 5000 grams weight, 2000 2,500 grams retained on CV and 2,500 grams retained on. Insert the test object and a steel ballast into the Los Angeles machine. Start the Los Angeles and let in and spin for 500 revolutions. Next, after screening incomplete, remove the test object from the Los Angeles machine. Defilter the test object using a safe number to leave the grains retained on in all devices clean. Then put the specimen into the oven at a temperature of until the weight remains constant. Wipe the white of the test object that has been from the oven and collect the wire raw. Finish.